Where are you guys going? You might want to come back this way. Come back this way, Johnny.
I'm coming. It's snowing.
It is, right?
Yeah. Looks like we're going to have no school tomorrow.
I don't think so. Right?
Yep.
Maybe they'll plow all the streets. Make sure you kids go to school.
Sam!
Get him, Sam. Get him. Get him. Get him. Careful with your face.
Sam!
What's that?
I said, look, a clear walkway.
Well, I had to go and find the snow shovel before, right? Don't go too far, Johnny.
Before Sam tackles me into the snow. There's ice all over the car.
I know, right?
Yep.
Hey, good girl, Sam. Now we can't eat that snow.
Ew. And we can't eat that snow either.
This one I like the best. Go get him, Sam. Go get him. I don't go in there. It's all the flowers and stuff.
Oh.
Did you get something to eat?
No, I want to stay out here with Charlie.
Hmm?
I said Charlie wanted me to come out here with him.
Oh, is you getting dressed?
Yep.
All right. Let's